Recently, na-admit sa clinic si Cookie dahil hindi siya makaihi at nagkaroon ng obstruction sa kanyang urethra. At dahil sa experience na to, naparesearch ako and this is what I found out. Ang feline lower urinary tract disease or FLUTD ay maraming types and causes. Number 1, feline idiopathic cystitis or FIC. Ito ay bladder inflammation with no identifiable cause. Ang stress ay kinukonsider as the major contributing factor. Number 2, urololysis or bladder stones. This is the formation of stones or crystals in the bladder. Ito ay maaaring dulot sa sobrang minerals sa ihi, dehydration, or poor diet. Number 3, urethral obstruction. Ito ay maaaring complete or partial na pagbara sa urethra, typically caused by a buildup of stones, crystals, or mucus plug. Number 4, urinary tract infection or UTI. Ito ay bacterial infection sa bladder or urinary tract, often secondary to another condition like diabetes, kidney disease, or bladder stones. Number 5, urethral plugs. This is a mixture of mucus, crystals, and debris na pwedeng bumara sa urethra, leading to obstruction. Ito ay madalas dahil sa diet and hydration. Number 6, trauma. Ito ay injury to the bladder or urethra due to external trauma tulad ng accidents or pagkahulog that can lead to inflammation or obstruction. Number 7, neoplasia or bladder cancer. This is a less common but serious cause of FLUTD which can obstruct the flow of urine. Older cats are more at risk. Ito ang ilan sa mga risk factors na dapat natin tingnan para matulungang maggamot or maiwasan ng ating mga cats ang FLUTD. Diet. Malaki ang chance na magka-stone and crystal formation sa urine kapag exclusively dry kibble ang pinapakain sa pusa at kung mataas ang magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium levels sa kanilang pagkain. Obesity. Ang overweight or obese na pusa have higher risk na magkaroon ng urinary issues. Physical activity. Kapag hindi active at sedentary ang pusa, sila ay mas prone to developing urinary tract issues. Hydration. Kapag hindi nakakainom ng enough water ang pusa, posibleng magkaroon sila ng urinary problems. Stress and environmental factors. Ang mga pusang dumadanas ng emotional stress, maaring dahil may bagong pet, naglipat ng bahay, or may bagong family member, or di kaya may maraming pusa sa bahay, can be stressful for our cats that cause urinary problems. I hope makatulong ang video na to guys for us to understand ano ang FLUTD. Thanks for watching.